Set one, game one.
Good match. Good match.
Sorry, 1 second.
Okay, it's been a second.
Martian, sir.
A galactic hour or a galactic day.
Yeah, that's right.
1 hour.
Ready?
Ready.
You can't let that stuff slide. You start seeing problems. Exercise, I don't touch it anyways. I agree to the next level. I was into it. That's where you see all the mirrors and the rubber. I paid for it. You gotta stay active or else you're gonna go down. You gotta do something. As far as your weights, I don't have to play tennis or hockey. You just want to be able to ski. And also, 3-4 times. Are you feeling okay? Don't really know what his chest is there a time where you're calling for lunch?
Ready?
Ready.
And you're fine. And you're absolutely fine. Did you escape? I did a lot of things already. You got ready. You played with bears, right? You looked at bears. That one golden that came in as a backup and won the game or something. I think he was a golden bear and he got to play an NHL game one time.
Well, what they'll do is that, so let's say 20 years of goalies is not available. But they can't pay him because they lose that and then he'll be on the back. You're sitting in there, you're hoping that the next one doesn't get hurt.
One time in a lifetime.
Ready?
Ready.
I wish we could have the old days. Have Roger over here. You know, to play foosball.
There'd be a fight.
Well, Roger, he wouldn't be a skilled baby.
I don't remember too much about it because there's so many.
Remember his house? He had the dance floor, and then the ball. Oh, I remember the guy who played poker, Paul Harrison.
Okay, ready?
Oh, come on.
Paul Harrison?
Strange
He's
guy.
the guy that saw
So he would have known the racetrack. Harrison was big on race
You almost got it, man. You almost got it.
Oh, come on.
You got a lot of
Ready?
Ready.
And then you rush your shot, right?
Absolutely. It's good memory. Nice to see people care.
Kind of different though, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. That's totally
It's like that one where you like slice it.
Even that bullshit shot.
Yeah. Thanks, I got it. Okay, no problem.
Ready?
Ready.
Can I take your water?
No, I'm good, thank you. See you boys, hey, see you guys.
See you, Doug.
Later, guys. See you.
Bye, Doug. Ready? Ready.
Well, you would actually have a medal on that. I played with MJ. Back then he was still half decent. Kept not doing the rules, so we served the ball over there.
Oh, you stopped it, dude.
Yeah, and when you serve, you wouldn't serve properly. Laughing at
We have how many time minutes? We have 1 month. You want to stay? I know. Ready?
Ready?
So we got the foreigners and the team that wanted to go. When they played for the gold and silver, they beat the silver place team a lot worse.
Ready?
So they didn't have singles, they just had doubles. I think they were pretty good. Well, interesting.
So,
This one's tough too because the bars don't stay out for you shoot.
How did they get around?
Just shoot the left. Like the last time I was there last summer, I played the French guy and he came for the 10 and it was 10-8 and I almost got him. Run away because it's his day.
That's good. All right, great.
Smithy in the corner. That was like my last one.